children, let's learn the use of this, that and these, those. First of all, learn for singular forms like single items like one pencil, one book. See here, this boy is showing the book and saying, this is my book. Why he is saying this here? Because the book is very nearer to him. So, he is using this. Now see, the same book is far away from him. So, he is using here that. So, we have to say that is my book. Now, you try with some examples. Dash is my pencil. What we have to use here, this or that? The pencil is nearer to him. Think. Yes, you tried it. This is my pencil. We have to use this for the nearer things. Now let's see another example. The same pencil, it is far away from him. So dash is my pencil. What we have to use here, this or that? Yes, you tried it. That is my pencil. We have to use here that because the pencil is far away from him. Okay, now let's see about the plural forms. So many pencils or so many books are there means what we have to use in the place of this and that. See here. For what are the plural forms for book? Books. For this, these. For pencil, pencils. For that, those. So now let's see. These are my books. See, he is showing so many books and saying that these are my books. Not this is my book. These are my books, we have to say. If the books are far away from him, so many books are there, we have to say, those are my books, not that. Those we have to use here. Now you try with some examples. Dash on my pencil. So many pencils are there and it is nearer to him. What we have to use here? These are those. Think. Yes, you tried it. Now let's see the answer. These are my pencils. It is nearer and there are so many pencils. So we are using these are my pencils. Now let's see another example. Dash are my pencils. See here, the pencils are far away from him. What he have to say? Think. Okay, you are trying. Wow. Let's see the answer. Those are my pencils. What we have to use here? Those. Okay, thank you.